gonna lie to y'all, I've been scrolling through my Instagram and I've been seeing crimps everywhere. Little crimps, medium crimps, big crimps, like waves or whatever. And I saw the Crimp Bus and was like, hey, don't forget me. And I hopped on. It's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly crimp your hair. You can do it with any size crimp iron. I'm going to show you guys which one that I used in a moment. I definitely want to invest in a bigger wave iron so I can get, you know, that whole airy, arrogant little look, because that is really cute as well. But this is the one that I found on such short notice. So I got this wave iron or crimp iron from Sally's Beauty Supply store, and it is an ion crimper. And it really wasn't that much money. I want to say it was like $39, $35.99, something like that. People always think that my hair came in this wave pattern, so I always have to correct people. But my hair is MONROE Mob Sleek Straight, a 16-inch frontal, 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles. Something like that. I did end up cutting it because it was entirely too long. When you have straight hair, if you're sleeping in it or if you don't lay it like really straight, then as you know, when you put on that unit or when you wake up in the morning, that straight hair is going to have some dips and stuff in it, and then you got to run the flat iron back through it in order to get that nice bone straight look again. And I ain't wrapping nothing, so I like to take my wigs off, and I got tired of constantly flat ironing the hair, so I tried the crimps. And when I tell y'all, if you don't shampoo them out, they don't go anywhere, just because I am taking the unit off. If you're sleeping in it, it's a little bit more difficult, but if you take your unit off, this is the wave, literally. So I'm going to quickly show you guys what products I use and how I crimp the hair. I did try to do this on my own head. My arms ended up getting really tired and I ended up washing them out that day, but this next time that you see that is recorded, I just did it on my canvas head that I make my wigs on, and it was a whole lot more easier and it went by much faster and I could really see everything that I was doing. So I definitely suggest that, or just make sure that you plan to take a lot of time on crimping your hair because it is a process. So let's go ahead and get started and see how I achieved these luscious waves, okay? The products I'm using today are Chi Iron Guard and Chi Helmet Head. One is a heat protectant, the other one is a holding spray, and I'm just gonna brush those two through the hair. And this is my first section. I like to move in vertical sections. And look at that fake scalp. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that crimper that I showed you guys earlier and make my first crimp, and then line up that first barrel with the last crimp that the crimping iron makes. So you're just really lining up the dips in the hair with the barrels. It's a really easy process. I like to pull the bottom strand of the hair that has not been crimped yet up to just make that last crimp define and make the first barrel, when I put it on there to line it up, it just makes it a little bit easier to line everything up. And you want to make sure that when you get to the end of the hair, the end of it goes into the crimper so that it's not just a weird straight piece left. So I'm going to show you guys a couple more times. It is very easy. You do not need a whole bunch of product. You don't have to go through and spray every single piece. It is not necessary. You do not want your hair to be crunchy. You do not want your hair to be hard. You just want a little bit of holding power in there. And what I did at the beginning with both sprays is enough. As y'all can see, it is super defined. Yeah, so this is the last piece I'm going to be showing you guys. This took me a total of 45 minutes to complete, and this is the finished product. It is a little bit firm at first, but then it softens up within a couple hours. I'm going to look online and see if I can find the iron crimper, which I'm sure that I can, just in case you're not that type of person who wants to go into a store to see if they got it. You're the type of person that's like, no, boo-boo, let me click on this button. I know that they got it, slip it through my door. Okay, yes. Also, all the details and the link to my hair will be down in the description box, and all of my social media will be down there. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. Everything I do